Now talking about the grids. So grids can also be called as center lines. So use the grid tool to place column grid line in the building design. You can add them columns along the column grid line. Generally, we are going to use a grid line to place the columns. So grid lines are finite. Same like the horizontal plane, these are also the infinite planes only, okay, like the levels. So you can drive the extents in the elevation view. So this you can see in the plan also, you can see in the elevation view also. Sometimes they will intersect, sometimes they will not as per the coordinates what you are going to provide. So these grids can be straight line, can be in arc, can be in multi-segment, can be in diagonal way also. It depends upon the structural design, how you are going to plan, how you are going to propose. It can be a straight line, it can be a arc, or it can be a diagonal line, it can be anything. Now how to add the grid? So open the project, change to foundation floor plan or open any level. So go for the artificial tab, data panel, grid. So from here, we were sketching the levels in which view? In the elevation view. But now we have to open. Previously, we have opened what? Which can also be called as center line. Grids can also be called as center line. In the elevation view, we created levels. But if you want to make a grid, we have to open any plan. So I'll be going with the bottom side, nothing but the basement. So go for the basement floor plan from here. So double click on this one. This is the limited basement floor plan. Now here we are going to sketch. So what is happening in the same architecture tab in the datum panel? Can you see the level is hidden? Now it is disabled for us. This will be enabled only in the elevation view. So select the grid from here. So now provide the sketch. Okay, so wherever you want, you can place now. And here you can see the drawing toolbar. We have got some options also. So as per that, we can select and we can able to place. So here we have got a line. We have got the 3-end arc. We have got center and nothing but the 2-point arc, and we have got a pick line also. So I'll sketch one grid over here from first to the last. Okay, I'm going to sketch one grid from the first to the last. So can you see? I'm going to sketch. So this is my first grid. Now, if you want to provide any kind of distance from grid to grid, so here we will be finding the option of offset. So here you can see this is nothing but the option of the offset. When you're going to select the grid, so select this one, provide the value at what distance you want to make an offset. You can go with copy also. I'm going to provide an offset of something like 3500. And select the copy. Copy should be there because this will also be there and the next one should also be there. That is the reason. So select the value from here to here. So select the grid. Yeah. Select the offset. Go for the copy. Go for the grid. Again, go for the pick line option. Provide the offset of something like 3500. This is the pick line. Now provide the offset. Can you see here? If you're going to keep on the right side, it will make an offset on the right side. If you're going to keep on the left side, it will make an offset on the left side. So I'm going to keep on the right side. So select this. So it will make an offset. So if you want to modify the value, like something like 4500, you can select and you can place from there. If you want to modify something like 6500, you can select and you can place. Right click cancel, right click cancel if you want to come on. So we have got the grids. If you want a bubble, by default, he will give you the notations like 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD. You can modify also. Okay, you can select and you can modify from the properties. That's the secondary case. If you want a bubble on the other side also, so select this one and can you see a bubble over here? So select, you will get the bubble on the other side also. Select and select this one. Again, you can select and you can change from here. So it's very simple to work with all this. Can you see? We have got the bubbles on either sides. The same thing if you want any kind of horizontal. So go for the home tab, architectural tab, go for the grids. In the grids, you can see first sketch. I'm going to sketch one. Then again, we are going to go with the offset. So go for the architecture, go for the grids. Here I'll be going with the pick line option. From here, we are going to select something like 3500, for example. So select it and place it. Again, go with an option of something like 6500 from here to here. Again, we will go with an option of okay, 7,000, 8,000. There is some error occurred. I hope it's very clear for this. It's very simple. So draw the grid in the desired length as per your wish. So Revit calculator automatically numbers each grid. So it will make right, left, whatever numbers you are going to provide, like A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. As per your wish, you can able to provide those things. I hope it's very clear regarding this. Correct. The same options we have. If you want an elbow for the grids, you can change the elbow, provide the mark if it is getting overlapped. And if you want to extract, if you want to drag, you can unlock and you can drag. From the temporary dimensions also, you can modify. So in this way, you will be finding the grids on any work plan whenever you're going to work with any projects. I hope it's very clear regarding this for everybody. Any doubts
Yes.
for anyone?
Can we import these? Sometimes you have the CAD drawings also with this grid. Can you import that also directly into this, or we have to make it from scratch only?
In the 10th chapter, I'll show you how to import, how to export
Okay.
fully. Yes, we can do everything. All the Autodesk files we can play from one software to the software. All the Autodesk.